Hello everyone. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to use the Tagily Easy App for managing the tagging of your pics in a very easy manner. So first of all, of course, you should have downloaded the software and installed it through a very typical installing process from our download page, and you should have taken contact with our team for this. You find it here. The Easy app is on the left. After you have installed it, you will just launch. It is a typical window application with credential. You have received the credential either for the trial or for your full-fledged user. You just need to log in, and then you will have the first window where you have to pick a folder where you have your images to be tagged. But before proceeding, just let me show you that in every and each single window, you have on the top right an information bar that tell you the details of what you find in that specific window. So in this window, you need to pick a folder to tag. Let's say that we have these 30 images to tag. This is just for the sake of the demonstration. And let me just show you that at the current moment, there are no tags. This is where we are going to write the results. It's one of the options you have to write them in the tags. Okay, so of course you can put your images in a folder, and by the way, you can also have inside this folder a hierarchy of subfolders. No problem, the software will take care of all the subfolders into it. So either you can drag and drop, or you can just pick it, but let's just drop it. Very easy. And there is an update of the count of the image in that folder. It's 30, and a count of the image that are yet to tag. We will talk about this number later, but this can be either equal to this number or lower. Then you have to select a tagging engine. There are three options at the current moment: running events or cross-country skiing, bikes, either speed bikes or MTB, and this is a new feature, the usage of 2D markers that you can apply to the bibs of the athletes. Also, please notice that we have we pick here the running event just because we have running images. Please notice that we have on the bottom left the count of your credits that is always updated. So now we have a bit less than 1 million credits. This button allows you to wipe any past activity that has been carried on in this folder, but this is not of interest in the current moment because we have no past tagging activity. It's the first time we process this folder. So let's go to the next window. And in this window, we have to pick an export strategy. We have three options. IPTC basically writes the results in the tags. So it writes the results into the metadata of each image. And this is extremely useful because it's commonly used in most photo sharing platforms like Smagma, Zenfolio, PhotoShelter, Instaproof, but also in Flickr. It's used in WordPress plugins, so very common. So it's the most used. But you can also write results in a CSV format, it's a text file, or in a JSON file. And both these will be written inside the same folder of your images. So let's pick IPTC, and you can pick a filter. I will not go in the detail, but you can filter by the quality of the reading. I will show you later. Let's now put no filters, so we get the most of the results. And then you can put some filtering based on beeps. For example, you can write here 2022 or 2023 to avoid false readings. Here you have the code replacement that is useful with Photomechanic for replacing the bib number with the athlete name. We don't use it. And here we can decide to overwrite eventual past past results that have been written over the IPTC tags. So let's move to the next window where we will trigger the tagging. And now we will see that images get uploaded to the cloud. Before getting uploaded, they get compressed. They get tagged in the cloud, and the results are exported, and the credit count decreases, and it decreases, of course, of 30 units. At any time, if you by error or by intention you close the window, you can start from the point you left it. So no worry about wasting credits. So all intermediate results are stored so that when you reprocess the same folder, you don't need to waste credits on images that have been tagged already. So let's wait for the tagging process to go, to finish. The cloud scales the speed depending on the incoming flow of images. It can reach as high as, at the current moment, 5,000 images per minute, but it takes a while to reach that speed. So at the current moment, there is not much movement, so the speed is quite low. Okay, so we did it. So let's check the results here. Let's see what happened. We didn't have these tags before. And now, by the automatic reading, we see them. And you see 762. Let's see this image. There is a 10 here. There is a 11774. And then there is a 192 back there. 192 back there. So I want to show you a couple of new things you can do. We go back here. Let's say we want to launch it again. Or actually, we want to use the filters, let's say, okay? So I want to show you how the filter work. Let's drop the same folder again. And now you see that the images to be tagged is 0. Yes, because we already tagged them. So now you have two options. Go to the next window just to change the export strategy. And if you do that, you can do that all the times you want, and you do not use credits, because it's just exporting the results you already have. So no problems in doing that again and again without using credits. Or if you want to change your tagging engine, you need to wipe your past activity so that you can choose this again. So let's say we just want to change the export strategy. And let's now try to put strong filter. I will show you, there are several strategies about blurriness. So let's not count the blur on the image, but if the area around the bib is blurred, they will get likely rejected. If they are too small with respect to other bibs, they will get rejected. For example, for numbers very far away, or if they are too close to the borders. So using strong filter, I expect that this number, this tagging gets rejected, gets removed from this tags. So to appreciate the difference, I need to overwrite existing results, because I need to write the results back again to the images. Otherwise, I will not see the difference. So let me do it again. The process will be immediate, because tagging has already been done in the past. So it's just exporting. Okay. Okay, no, it's already no need to refresh. You see that the 10 has gone. Okay, so let's say, let me just show you very quickly. Let's say I want to, for example, change the tagging engine for any reason. I mean, it doesn't really make sense in this folder because it's all about running images. But let's say I want to change the tagging engine to bike or to 2D markers. I need to wipe, and then as you see, the number here get reset because I completely wipe all the results and I can select a new engine. And now if I proceed, of course, I will use new credits. So before closing, I just want to uh, uh, to to make sure you know that we have additional resources for you to get the best results. So from the artificial intelligence engine that reads, you should definitely get access to this documentation that tell you how to get the best reading accuracy from Tagily. And then, of course, we have the user's manual of the Easy app that goes in the detail of every single thing I discussed in this short video. So thank you very much for your attention and enjoy Tagily. Bye bye.